Noticing your attic beams are separating and cracked after all these years is definitely something you don't want to ignore. Here's how to handle it without getting stuck in a loop of inspections and middlemen. So, you saw those beams by the roof ridge looking warped or cracked, right? First off, don't stress too much about needing a fancy inspection just yet. What you really want is a solid roofing contractor who knows their stuff to come check it out. They'll figure out what's causing the damage, like moisture, age, or structural shifts, and tell you exactly what needs fixing. Make sure you get at least 3 quotes from different contractors so you can compare prices and scopes. When they come out, ask them about their experience with older homes like yours. Since your place was built in 1982, it's seen a lot. Keep an eye out for contractors who suggest shoring up the beams instead of ripping everything out. That's usually less money and less hassle. If the damage is serious, they might recommend replacing warped components or reinforcing weak spots with new wood or metal braces. The key is to get it fixed soon before the problem worsens and causes bigger issues like leaks or sagging ceilings. Oh, and don't forget to ask if they handle the necessary permits or if you'll have to deal with that part yourself. One of the biggest mistakes people make with attic beam damage is waiting too long to address it, thinking it's just cosmetic. This can lead to more expensive structural repairs down the line. Fix it promptly to avoid this. Another common issue is hiring contractors without checking their track record with older homes. Always pick someone experienced in vintage construction to avoid botched repairs. Lastly, many homeowners panic and call for a full inspection and permit process when all they really need is a straightforward repair. This can cause unnecessary delays and costs. Skip the middleman and go straight to a trusted roofing pro. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who specialize in repairs like yours, making it easier to find someone reliable without the headache. Contractors also get a steady stream of real work through the platform, helping them grow their business while giving you peace of mind that your home is in good hands.